Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Payhip store so you can start selling digital products right away. Payhip is an incredible platform that allows you to sell a variety of digital products online for free. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, head to the link in the description below to visit Payhip's official website directly. This is the easiest and most straightforward way to start without any confusion. Once you've landed on the homepage, now that we're on the site, let's sign up for an account. Click the Sign Up button on the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. After filling out these details, create a secure password and click the Create Account button. If you already have an account, you can log in directly using your credentials. Once your account is set up, you'll be asked to choose a name for your store. You can change it later if needed. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to name my store Test Store. After entering your chosen name, click Continue to move on to the next step. You've now reached your Payhip dashboard. From here, you'll see various options like adding products, editing your store's settings, and viewing analytics. For now, let's focus on adding our first product. To begin, click the Add Product button. Payhip gives you several options for selling products, including digital downloads, courses, memberships, and even physical goods. Since we're focusing on digital products in this tutorial, select the Digital Product option. Now, you'll be prompted to upload your digital product. This could be anything from a PDF file to an audio file or even a video. Simply click the Upload button to add your file. Once your product is uploaded, give it a name and set a price that you think is fair. You'll also need to add a cover image for your product. A visually appealing image will help attract customers and make your product look professional. The cover image should be high quality and related to your product. Next, it's time to write a detailed description of your product. The more information you provide here, the better your chances of converting visitors into customers. Describe what the product is, how it can benefit your customers, and any other relevant details. Be clear and concise while also showcasing the unique selling points. Ensure that the visibility setting is set to Visible so that everyone can see your product. This is essential for getting your product in front of potential buyers. Once everything looks good, click Add Product to finalize the addition. Next, let's make your store look professional and match your branding. Click on Store in the dashboard, then click Launch Your Store Builder. Here, you can personalize your store's design. Add a logo, adjust the color scheme, and choose a layout that best represents your business. The customization options are simple to use, and you don't need any design experience to make your store look great. Once you're happy with how your store looks, take a moment to preview it. Make sure everything looks good and that your product pages are set up correctly. If you need to make any last-minute tweaks, go ahead and do so. When you're satisfied with the look and feel of your store, click Publish to make your store live and ready for customers. Now that your store is live, it's time to start promoting it. Share the link to your Payhip store on social media, include it in your email signature, and tell your friends and followers. The more people who see your products, the higher the chances of making a sale. That's it. You've successfully set up a Payhip store to sell digital products. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try Payhip for free. No credit card required.